YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back for some quick fix videos for you guys on Polaris's Turbo Turtle pressure side pool cleaner for above ground pools. So we're going to dive in and show you guys how to completely tear this thing apart from the outside in. Stay tuned. Alright guys, and we're back. So again today we got some quick fix videos for you guys on Polaris's Turbo Turtle above ground pressure side pool cleaner. So as you guys can see, I've got the cleaner top already stripped off, the turtle's off to the side. So if you guys want to know how to take the top off of the cleaner, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We'll have a playlist there for you guys on how to tear it off the top to get into these internals. But for today's video, I want to show you guys how to actually remove the entire guts of this cleaner. So this is your entire working system in the middle. It has the 4 jets already attached, and it's got your randomizer ball, it's got any kind of gear system in it. So this is basically the entire brains of the cleaner. So if you're having issues inside, something's cracked or you've got issues, this is going to be the way that you have to take this out in order to be able to work on it. So really simple. What you're going to do is flip the cleaner over. So this is the bottom part of the cleaner. You're going to see the sweep hose attachment section here. So that's where the main hose will go in right there. That will actually drag the basket along the bottom of the pool floor. So you're going to see that piece. You guys are going to notice that it has a white ring around the outside. You're going to go ahead and get a grip on it as best you can. Again, depending on how long you guys have had this thing in your pool, it may be difficult. You guys may need to push from the top to try to give any kind of slack that you can do to grab this white ring. But essentially, you're just going to keep spinning that white ring, and it's going to unthread from the threads on the bottom. Again, this is already a pre-threaded pipe because that's where your sweep hose threads into. So you're going to go ahead and just spin until you guys can take this plastic ring off. You're going to completely remove the white ring, set it off to the side. As you guys can see, I have one hand here attached onto the actual mechanism, because if I just lifted the cleaner up, if the hoses aren't in there tight enough and they're not in their sections, this whole thing would have fell on the ground. So to make sure that didn't happen, I held on to it. So remove the white ring, flip it over, and then one by one, you're just going to go ahead and pull out the actual jet assemblies that it has here, and you'll pull out the entire internal assembly to the cleaner. So, and then all you're left with is merely the base of the cleaner. That's going to have some of the deflector wheels on the side, but from there, this is going to be your main drive, your engine, whatever you want to call it, of the cleaner, and this is what you're going to be focused on trying to repair to make sure that this thing works efficiently. So just want to show you guys how to take it out. Make sure you guys stay tuned, hit that subscribe button. We're going to have videos on how to actually tear this thing apart and show you guys how to get inside and fix some of these other parts. So I really appreciate you guys watching. I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply, and we'll see you next time.